Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today I'm so excited to share a closer look at our Feels Like Fall collection. At the heart of the collection is our 12x12 collection kit. This kit includes one each of the 12 double-sided pattern papers. Featuring 20 different patterns and 4 journaling cards, this fall-inspired collection brings cozy comfort and heartfelt autumn charm to your creative projects. Perfect for scrapbooking sweater weather, your favorite fall recipes, or harvest gatherings, this collection is designed to help you tell stories that feel comforting, familiar, and full of seasonal charm. Also included in our collection kits is a 12x12 element sticker sheet. This collection also includes a coordinating solids pack. Don't you worry, all you card makers out there, we haven't forgotten you. The patterns and elements in these paper pads have been perfectly scaled down, making them ideal for all your card making projects. Don't forget the embellishments! With brads, enamel dots, chipboard, washi tape, puffy stickers, our classic ephemera, frames, and tags, this collection is packed with the perfect finishing touches. They feature all of your favorite seasonal illustrations and cozy fall icons. Finally, we've used several of our favorite elements to create the dies, stamps, and stencils for this collection. These tools allow you to add layered detail, dimension, and a custom touch to every project. Shop the Feels Like Fall collection today at echoparkpaper.com.